Today we are going to show you how to use Visual Crossing to generate and visualize bulk driving calculations. First, we'll start with this simple map containing customer and store data in the state of Ohio. Since there are many customer points, we'll change this layer to a heat map, but the only hotspots in our data are around our stores. Next, we'll click on the Custom Bulk Driving Calculation button that we've added to this map for demonstration purposes. That button will cause our bulk driving calculation script to be executed. This script would normally be executed on the server side. Once finished, it will write a new updated dataset with new drive time metrics. Now we'll load a new map containing those drive time metrics that Visual Crossing just calculated. First, we'll show you the details for our updated customer layer. You can see that the bulk drive time engine has calculated 2 additional metrics for each customer in our dataset. One metric is the driving distance for each customer, and the other metric is the drive time for each customer. We can then visualize that data on our map as distinct color bands. You'll notice that in addition we also have pop-up labels that show the specific metrics for that area of the map. As we move over the map, these pop-ups show us detailed metric values, while the color theming shows an overview. I hope that you've enjoyed this brief video of bulk driving calculations in Visual Crossing. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.